First off, go to flexstore.com. After that, add it to your home screen. And after that, you can just go straight to the app. And we should go to the updated ones. And here you'll find the latest iPoGo. If you can't find the latest one, just download it straight from the website and just get the IPA. Flex Store, you could get any IPA as long as it's not over 2 gigabytes. Okay, now we're just gonna basically install it for you in the background. And then after that, you just click install. And then it should just be going straight. Okay, now that the app has finished installing, we can just go hop right into it. For anyone who's jailbroken, it should still load because should be able to bypass. And now we got all the little features, joystick, teleporting on the maps. And just like that, we got the game. You just put any date basically, and then you're good as. That's it, guys. Alrighty, if you want to see more videos like this, one key point between Flex Store and All Store is that Flex Store, you need to do a subscription, $14 a year, and then on All Store, that one is basically free, but you're limited to only 2 apps. So if you want to go the extra route, get more apps, you would use Flex Store, but if you can't afford it, I would suggest using All Store.